packing a solid punch in spite of having comparatively a smaller profile. The HP 14s-dq2100TU is still a very interesting laptop, largely owing to its effectiveness. Let's discuss more. The HP 14s-dq2100TU has the making of a very good personal laptop, but its advanced features stand out in comparison to others. The laptop comes with 11th generation Intel Core i3 processor with Intel Turbo Boost technology. It has 6 MB cache and 2 cores. Talking about its operating system and software, the system comes with preloaded Windows 10 Home with lifetime validity. It also comes with complete Microsoft Home and Office 2019. Now this is where the advanced elements I spoke about come into play. The laptop is enabled with built-in Alexa, which is an absolute delight to operate, especially keeping in mind the other devices around you and keeping them in sync. Talking about the display and audio, both come together to give you a very fulfilling entertainment experience as well. While it has a 14-inch Micro Edge HD screen with impressive picture quality, the dual audio speakers ensure the sound quality is also great. What complements this package is its battery life, which despite all the features, still manages to run up to 7 hours. For a laptop in this range, I think the battery backup is very impressive. The DQ2100TU has 8GB DDR upgradable up to 16GB along with 256GB of SSD. The laptop comes with one super speed USB Type-C port, two super speed USB Type-A port, one HDMI and one headphone or microphone combo. Overall look and feel of the laptop is also very sleek. It weighs lighter than most of its contemporaries at just over 1.4 kgs. It's ultra thin and also very portable. So going by its budget, performance and features, the HP 14s-dq2100TU is a very impressive laptop, especially when you want to get a lot of purposes served.